So, you might be wondering who we are. Who is AVM Solutions? Why do we exist? AVM Solutions exists to help other businesses in their startup processes. They do this by facilitating businesses in the process required in order to actually become a business. AVM is a drone specialist. We do specialize with drone businesses in particular, but we can and we do assist with many other company types. And if you are a new type of company for us, we have the connections we need to get the jobs done. AVM is specifically shifting the focus to the setup of UASOC businesses. If you are a businessman and you want to start a drone company, you have to achieve what is called the UASOC, which is basically a certificate from the CAA, and we assist in achieving that for you. If you want to know more specifics about who we are, here are some details for you. You will find this also on our website. AVM Solutions is a registered company, and we are specifically the company you've been looking for if you need assistance to set up your business. As a facilitation company, our function is to assist in your company's success by providing what you need when you need it at expert levels of quality. Quality is our number one focus at AVM. If you have a project but you don't know where to start or how to advance, that is where we come in. If you don't know how to start your business, or if you get to a point where you're stuck, AVM Solutions, us right here, we are the ones to contact. We can help you. We assist in building businesses. That is our duty. Our main areas of expertise so far are our unmanned aviation and drone related services, UASOC facilitation. This is becoming our top priority. We've also got project organization and management, specialized drone operations, security solutions as well, specifically for high risk profiles, so celebrities and stuff like that. And we also do business and corporate insurance. If we ourselves are not able to help your company in terms of our resources, luckily we have, as you can see there, a trusted network of experts on standby waiting for your call to us. So no matter what business you are, no matter how you want to start, if you give us a call, we're going to say, let's take this to the next step and invite some experts onto our team specifically for your business, so that we can make sure your business survives and then thrives. Yes, we do all of this stuff, and we won't stop doing all of this, but our focus is shifting to the facilitation of UASOCs. If you want to know what this stands for, it is your Unmanned Aerial Systems Operating Certificate. It is a certificate that you will get from CAA that will allow you to be a drone business. It is a complicated process to get the certificate, and that is why we are focusing on this. More and more people are needing to set up a UASOC business, but are not being able to or don't have the resources they need to do it. So that's where we step in. If you really want to know on basics who we are, if you are building your own drone company, if you are unsure of what steps to take, you can let us help you to get your UASOC. Please go ahead and contact me directly for this service right here. Contact me directly, Josh Owen, either on my email at dualstara@gmail.com. Funny email, but it is known in the industry, so I'm not changing it. And then you've also got my number there, also a public number there for the industry, 082-883-4455. Go ahead and hit me up. If you are looking to set up your UASOC, I will then put you in contact with the right people within AVM. We will get yourself sorted.